Hey guys, welcome to my first video. Today I'm going to build a custom keyboard. So let's see how I build this keyboard, and I will put the links in the description for all the stuff I use. Firstly, let's take a look at the case. We are going to use the Holy Tom TM680. It is a 65% keyboard and comes with the PCB, stabilizers, and a plate. And then we can see a USB-C cable in a very nice quality. So let me unscrew the case. It is a hot swap PCB and RGB lighting separate from the knob and the main keyboard. Let's see how the RGB looks like. So let's take off the stabilizers and loop them. I'm going to use vaseline as my loop for the stabilizer and the switches. I use a small paintbrush and dip with some vaseline and loop all around the stem, the housing, and put a huge amount of vaseline on the wires. Now we are going to group the stabilizers and put them to the keyboard. And then for the switches, we are going to use the Gateron Pro Yellows. It is linear switches with 50 gram accuracy force. I loop the stem and the bottom housing as the stabilizers. And for the spring, I'm going to use the back loop method. Just put the springs in, a huge amount of vaseline, just let it stick on the back, zip it, shake it, and group it. Once you are done, put the switches on the PCB. At last, we are going to take a look of the keycaps. We are going to use the knockoff GMK Haku. It is made of Disa PPT, but the printing is not that good at all. By the way, it's just weird because it comes before the authentic ones. We're still using it. Let's go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to like this video and comment down below your feelings to my keyboard. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more keyboard builds. Thanks for watching again, and I will see you guys in the next video.